Hello everyone, my name is Kevin. Today I'm going to show you how to edit your texture on the door or on the panel itself. Alright, let's get into it. So first thing first, for texture sometimes you get want to change some size and all. Alright, you can right click here, you can like 90 degree, okay, you can change rotation or and this may be like that, okay. Okay, press OK. Okay, you see, you can change it. Okay, you can even stretch. Okay, and you can material size. So this is like 512, and maybe you can do 1000. You press OK. So it will change the size. Okay, so to show you an example again, this one. So maybe I go for step. See, it can be adjusted like that. Right. So not just texture itself where you can do like that. Okay, you also can right click. Okay, upload your own texture, you edit. Alright, so from here, select my material here. So let's say I go mine. Then I go my texture. So let's say this one. Select it. As you can see, you can just like that, right click, rotate. Okay. You also can right click and then you stretch it. Okay. So of course the size will be different. So maybe you can readjust the size. Okay. Alright. Or for example, I use this one, which is support. Right. Same thing, I upload. So I go for mine. Okay. Then I choose this one. As you can see, here and here it doesn't fit, correct or not? Right? So no worries. So first thing first, you can stretch. You fit the size, or you can rotate. Okay, rotation 90 degree. Okay, like this. So this is 900. This is 950, correct or not? So you come to see a picture here. Okay, which is you come here, verify, product. Okay, once you're in here, come to texture. Anything you upload, run, right? Okay. Then come here, you press edit. So let's say this is size 1000, right? Not just now that's 1900. Okay, you can actually also change your size here. So let's put 900. Okay, save. Okay, so it will fit back your board 900 the size. Okay, so it will fit back your 900 the size. So if you change other thing, then change back, it will fit back the board. Okay, let's say 3. Okay, something like that. Okay, I change back. Material or not, select, change here. And go mine. Yeah. Oh, sorry, the other one. So see, I can change other images if I want. Go to mine. Then I change. Okay. Then also I can change this board. Okay. Material, mine. Then I change this one. See, it doesn't fit the size. Never mind. Right click, rotation 90 degree. Okay. It's correct, not like that. Okay. If you don't want, you want it to face this direction. Never mind. Rotation, rotation. So it only can be like that. So never mind. You press this one. Press your button and then you rotate it. Okay, then of course you guys were wondering, like when I right click material that is don't have like this door, material size and material stretch. Okay, to order get that, you will not need to use superboard. You can use another board called like those filler board type also can. Okay, so when they are list of board, okay, this type of board should be have. This one have material stretch. Okay, then you can try other type of board. So there's many different type of board you also can use and try. For some board you're able to change also. Okay, so like this board, oh, it's up here. right click, material. So this one got a stretch lah. Alright. So you can right click and transfer to door lah. Change it to door, then you will have the function already. So like this type of board. So press B, yeah. Okay, cannot write. So change it to door. Okay, of course if you don't open, put fake door. Then you put in, then you can change the material already. Okay, so hit the like button and subscribe. Okay, bye.